In this lecture, we'll learn the key concepts involved in formatting columns, rows, and tabs. First, we'll discuss how to adjust column width. Let's begin by grabbing the right edge of column B with the cursor. Left-click and hold the edge of the column to drag back and forth. Now I'm going to click Undo. Now we'll look at adjusting the width of multiple columns. Take your mouse to the column header, but this time instead of clicking the edge, click the middle of the header to highlight the column. Hold left-click down and drag right and left. Let's grab columns B through D. If we grab the edge of one of the columns and resize it, all columns will be resized to the same width. You try. Now click the Undo arrow in the top left corner. There are a few tricks that can help us as well if we want to highlight multiple columns. If we want columns B through D, first just highlight column B. Now hold down Shift. While holding it down, click the header of column D. Easy. But what if we want to highlight multiple columns that aren't next to each other? We use a Control key. First, highlight column B. Now hold down Control and click the header of column D. Now try resizing the columns. These types of formatting allow us to batch activities rather than doing them one by one. Rows work the exact same way as columns. You can drag and highlight multiple rows. You can use Shift to highlight multiple rows, or Control to highlight multiple rows. Resizing works the same way as well. Now undo your progress and let's discuss tabs. First off, to adjust a tab name, simply double-click on it. You can now change the name. To save the change, just click back into the spreadsheet, or you could press Enter. To adjust tab color, right-click the tab, then go to Tab Color, and let's choose blue. This format is helpful for grouping tabs in spreadsheets with 10 or even sometimes 50 tabs. The last tip is for moving tabs around. Let's say your tabs are in the wrong order. First, hold down left-click on a tab. Now drag it. You'll see a small black arrow that shows you where you will move your tab to. In the next section, we'll discuss the difference between how we format inputs versus formulas.